washed and blow dried. All clean. Make sure you start off with clean, fresh hair. Okay, first off, you're gonna need some Eagle Styling Gel. You're gonna need a brush and a comb. I normally get a comb with this at the end. Some rubber bands, a crochet needle, some edge control. I'm using the 24-hour edge tamer in Eben, New York, and this is the Ultra Super Hold. So I got that. I might end up using Gorilla Glue as well, but I'm not sure yet. At the end, you're going to use mousse. This is the aloe vera 100%. I got this from Walgreens. So this is like a new brand that I'm trying out. It's actually very good. So type of hair you're going to need is, I got the 3-row Jamaican twist in 36 inches. So this is what it looked like. It's already separated. And then I got this in the color 99J. So it's like a red burgundy color. And I got 2 packs of these. And then I also have my hair that I took out before, just in case if I run out, I can reuse the hair that I took out before. So I'm going to part my hair into small little sections and put the rubber bands in, and then I'll show y'all what that looks like when I'm done. So I'm going to part all my hair with the rubber bands, and then I'll come back with the back of my hair finished, and then I'll show you guys how I do it in the front of my hair. Alright you guys, so I already clipped the other side of my hair with a duckbill clip. So I'm just taking a crochet needle and pushing it through the rubber band. Make sure the latch is open. You're going to push it through, leave it open. You're going to grab a piece of the hair. You're going to make a loop with your finger, open it a little bit, put it in the crochet needle, close the latch on the crochet needle and pull it through. Then you're going to open the latch and unhook the hair, and then you're going to take one side of that hair and pull it through the loop. And now you have 2 pieces of hair. Then you're gonna take, end up using the gorilla snot, excuse me. And you're just gonna take a little bit, and then you're gonna put it on your hair. You're gonna split it into 2 and tighten the rubber band. Don't do it too tight like I did, because it was actually really tight. Then you're going to take both sides, and then you're going to start twisting. Make sure you twist to the top so you can try to cover the rubber band as much as possible, but you're going to make sure it's tension all the way to the bottom. Alright, so we're towards the end, and I am unraveling that hair I'm going to be a longer piece, and then on the other side it's the shorter piece. I'm going to take a little part of the longer piece and move it over to the smaller piece, going towards the end of the twist. So I have enough hair to twist all the way towards the end, and then you'll see at the end when I'm all done twisting, I'm going to roll it in my hands. So that means that the twist will stay. Alright, I'm just showing you guys the same steps again on another section. If you guys want to follow along, it's the same exact thing. Opening the crochet needle, pulling it through the section, and then I am going to put the hair through, pull one side out, and then use the Gorilla Snot on my hair, tighten the rubber band, and start twisting. So you guys can go ahead and watch. I forgot to film a outro to this video, so I will leave a picture at the end of the video of the finished product. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on my social media platforms. They will be down in the description box: TikTok, Snapchat, and Instagram. And I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
You liking what you see?